إن الحمد لله نحمده ونستعينه ونستغفره ونعوذ بالله من شرور أنفسنا ومن سيئات أعمالنا ومن يهد الله فلا مضل له ومن يضلل فلا هادي له نشهد أن لا إله إلا الله وحده لا شريك له ونشهد أن محمدا عبده ورسوله صلى الله عليه وسلم أما بعد. We continue with our rulings regarding the menstruation of pregnant women. As we said, in majority of cases, pregnant woman does not have menstruation. And it is reported from Imam Ahmad radiallahu anhu that he said, women know that she is pregnant by disappearance of the menstruation. However, in some cases, it does continue with menstruation, and it is possible to continue for at least 2 months. And one of the wisdoms of period of waiting, period of iddah for the woman who is divorced is to wait for 3 months or for the occurrence of 3 menstruations or the occurrence of 3 purities. Because it is possible for the woman to be pregnant and have 1 or 2 menstruations, but it is impossible to have 3 menstruations in continuous. And when the 3rd menstruation appears, that means that she is not pregnant and she can remarry or return back to her previous husband if he wants to return her. But in the case of the pregnant woman, it is like it says, therefore, if blood appears 2 or 3 days before giving birth and she has labor pains, and this is regarded as nifas, and the separate rulings are connected to it. And nifas is the blood which comes up when a woman gives during the giving birth and after birth for 40 months. This is the blood. This blood which comes out of her is called nifas. But if the woman appears that she's having the blood before delivering the baby for a period longer or shorter, and she does not, and very important, she does not have the labor pains, then this is regarded as menstruation. And this is regarded as menstruation in the right opinion. Because, as we explained before in the previous session, that haid, the appearance of haid is, the fundament is when blood appears, that it is menstruation. That blood is regarded as menstruation, except when exists something that causes to negate that rule. Except when exists something which causes to negate that rule. And we say in the book of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and the sunnah of his Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, there is nothing which indicates to negate haid, to negate menstruation to a woman when blood appears. And we know that this is the madhab of Imam Malik, Imam Shafi'ah, and it is reported of opinion of Imam Ahmad and Sheik-ul-Islam ibn Taymiyyah rahimahullah alayhi. He takes this as a most favorable opinion, and he takes this as his opinion. Meaning when the blood appears, it is regarded as a menstrual blood. Now we say that therefore rulings for pregnant women who has menstruation are same as for who has menstruation are same as for woman which is not pregnant, except in 2 cases. Except in 2 cases. First, it is forbidden to give divorce to a woman which has menstruation and it is not pregnant. However, it is not forbidden for a woman that is pregnant. That is because divorce of a woman which has menstruation and is not pregnant is opposite to the words of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala from the Surah Al-Talaq. O Prophet, when you divorce women, divorce them at their prescribed period and count their iddah, their waiting period. And second, wait period for a woman which is pregnant does not end with menstruation because it only ends with giving birth. And does not matter if she has menstruation or not, because Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in Surah Al-Talaq, ayah number 4, pregnant woman wait till give birth. Now we come to the second part, the meaning unexpected occurrences during the menstruation. And we can divide this into for today into three parts. First, increase of duration of menstruation or its decrease in relation to its usual period. For example, some women, they have the menstruation at the beginning of the month, some women at the end of the month. So in these times, this changes. So now she has the beginning, not in the end. So what are the rulings for that? Or the second, it changes of occurrence of period. Example, instead of beginning of month, it shows at the end. The ruling is same. Soon as the blood appears, it is regarded as menstruation. As we said, because this is fundament. Alhamdulillah, we will continue with this topic next time, inshallah, in detail, by the mercy of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Subhanallah, bihamdika ashhadu an la ilaha illa anta astaghfiruka wa atubu